Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner, and today we're going to have a little fun with our teeny planners. Have you ever heard of these teeny planners? They are the most adorable thing ever. So this is part of TULA 12's collection. We have various different teeny planners on our website in our shop, but I thought that we would have some fun today with the paw print one. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out, but I wanted you to see exactly how it comes packaged. So let me just walk you through what this looks like. It's smaller than the size of my hand. It's so adorable. It is same as our regular covers. It has a pocket on the inside. It has two elastic bands on the inside, and it also has the elastic closure for when we're ready to close it up. It also comes with two inserts ready to write in, decorate, plan, whatever you want to do with these. And then it also comes with the beaded little keychain. Now, I usually don't use these. I usually just kind of keep them, but I do decorate these. Sometimes I make a little planner tree at during the holidays, or I will hang them off of a bag or something. When I do that, I typically use jute and put it through here just because it looks like a little more of like a rustic look, which you guys know I like. So that is our teeny planner, and that's how it comes with the planner, the beaded keychain, and two inserts. Then we also have these adorable teeny deco kits. This one is the paw print one. Let me go ahead and take this out really quickly. And it comes with everything you need to really have some fun decorating your teeny planner. The first thing it comes with is two journal cards, which are sized perfectly for the little inserts. A moment in our home, forever in our hearts. And when I needed a hand, I found your paw. Love those. Then we also have 5 little die cuts that come with it. So we've got this adorable little heart with the paw print. We've got a black paw print with the little red heart, white with the little black heart, and then a black and a white paw print. So those are our 5 die cuts. And then our papers are 6 papers, double-sided. One side is all tiny paw prints, just like this, which are just so sweet. And then the other side have these fun little shapes on them also. And these are all like a gray color. So it's not all black and white. These are gray and white, which is really nice. It also comes with these little stickers of all the paw prints. And this is the info card, just in case you're interested. And then we also have some skinny washi tape that is all paw prints too. So I grabbed that as well. So let's go ahead and just play for a little bit. And I'm gonna put you guys on fast forward as I do this. Basically what I'm gonna do is decorate the inserts with some paper and some die cuts and our journal cards. And then I'll come back to do a walkthrough of the entire thing when I'm done. turned out. So I used the journal cards on the front because, like I said, they fit perfectly. And then I used some of the decorative paper and stickers and die cuts out of the kit to just kind of decorate these pages a little bit. This was a photo that I had from my sprocket, so I just cut that down to size. So that's my babies, Katie and Cody. And so I cut that down for today, which, by the way, today is National Love Your Pet Day, I believe. And then a little sticker on that one as well. And then a little bit of washi tape and another die cut on here. Still plenty of pages. I can come back. I will probably fill this with some more pictures of my babies. And then this one, I only did the front, but I used that second journal card to give it a little cover here. And then I have all of these pages as well. When you want to go ahead and put it inside, all you're going to do is look for this staple right here. That's your center point. And then slide it through the elastic band just like this. I'm going to go ahead and put this one in also, so you can see what it looks like all together. So find that staple and then just put it through the elastic band. These really are just the cutest. And then when you close it up, you can put your elastic closure right over top of it. And now you have an adorable little teeny planner keychain. And if you keep this handy, you can also open it. If you fill it with little pictures from a sprocket or some other little printing device, then you'll have a nice little memory book as well. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you think somebody else would be inspired by this, please go ahead and share it out. And I will see you guys all soon. Take care, everybody.